Good afternoon, sir. This is Midshipman Lupus. I'm going to report the basic nomenclature for initial stability of the ship. So the key is the lowest, the key or kill, the lowest structure points of the ship. The B is the buoyancy center, the center buoyancy where the upward buoyant force. The G is the point where the ship total weights. So the M is the meta center of the use word stability. And then the key G, kill to gravity. So the vertical distance from the kill to the gravity. Then the BM, the vertical lines between the buoyancy to the meta center. Then the GM, metacentric height, the distance between the gravity to the meta center. Then the KM, the total distance from the kill to the meta center. Kumana to, sir. Thank you.